Holy shit. That's creepy. I don't like this. You gonna grab him?
Trying to figure out how to grab him. You grab that one and I'll grab this one.
Watch your arm. Holy cow. That's a big mama.
What's wrong with it?
Well, I just want to try to buy $4 socks and everything.
That is sweet. Hold on, let me get close. Alright, throw him. See if he...
I don't think he can. I think there's something wrong with it.
Go on. Get out of here. Is he retarded?
No, I think there's something wrong with his legs.
What is he doing? Come on. Ooh. He is not happy though.
No, he's pissed off.
I don't want him to attack me.
Hey, buddy. It's hard to take off. Ain't no goddamn time to go on.
He's stuck on a stalk now.
There's something wrong with him.
Well, his wings are working and he doesn't need feet to fly.
Yeah,
Stand him up maybe. He's just in like strike mode. There he goes. We'll get you next time.